Yeah, obviously as a producer, just talk about that, you know, the highs and lows of being a producer. Sometimes you gotta kind of send out the beats and just sit and wait, because it can get a bit political at times. So
oh yeah, for sure.
The up and coming producers, man.
Like, check me out, yeah? You wanna take over on the real? Every single fucking day. Every single day. Man, give your whole fucking life to this shit. Fuck a bitch, fuck a job, fuck money. I've been poor for straight 10 years. I don't have food or nothing. BVAMC giving me food and shit every day. I'm gonna start making beats like hungry, straight up work, straight up work. You'll be like some crazy guy stuck in your house like a fucking nutcase, making beats.